Hi everybody, this is Frank Getaways here at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to show you our 2025 Sea Ray 290 SDX outboard. Gray hull side color here from Sea Ray with white bottom. Color matching tower with black canvas. As we make our way forward, we do have this boat equipped with windlass and docking lights. I'll let Dave do a good shot there of the profile. Another feature I'll show off while we're out here. Nice fold down step built into the swim platform here. Flips up, easy way to get on and off the boat. You do also have a boarding ladder. And then finally on the back, the white Mercuries, 250s. Let's hop aboard. All right, on board of the 290. Beautiful transom seating here. Stone interior matches that gray hull side color. We also have gray sea deck throughout the boat. So as Dave makes his way in, starboard side entry, step up and out, cooler on board in the back, stereo remote, and transom door. Once in the cockpit, very spacious. Wet bar with grill. Sink access, refrigerator, and trash can. Nice L-shaped seating here with a flip-flop seat. So when you're anchored up, everybody can join that conversation. The captain also has that feature as well. At the helm, nice big SIMRAD display, easy to read, navigation, engine data, all will read through that. Fusion stereo, all our switching, binnacles, and of course the joystick. Port side head setup. That is the upgraded interior, nice with the vacuum flush, ventilated window, and sink. And then I'll let Dave make his way up to the bow before me so you get a nice view there. Two forward-facing loungers with another bench seat for at least two people. I do have the filler cushion out here. This cushion right here will fill in right where Dave and I are standing to make this one big sun pad. And then here's another shot of the windlass with bow washdown. So again, this is a 2025 Sea Ray 290 SDX outboard. My name is Frank Getaways. Thank you for your time. See you on the water.